Hello and welcome to the PolyTools channel. Today we are unboxing the Herk Orion mini PC. I got the Mega Edition on the Indiegogo campaign and I'm really excited to show this all with you today. We are going to go through it together. This is my first time opening it up as well, so I actually don't know how I'm supposed to get this out. Maybe just slide it. Yeah. Okie dokie. The back, by the way, I'm not sure if there's any serial numbers. Let me double check. Doesn't look like it, but just has like a simple... you can't quite see. There you go. Just the spec sheet kind of thing. And then on this side too, that are kind of specs. Just in case someone was curious. Now open this up. This is an Indiegogo campaign for one of the most powerful small PCs on the market, the Orion 1. I know ETA Prime took a look at it as well. Yeah, simple little manual. Nice. Some details. I know there's that contrast issue. I'm sorry about that. All right, here's the beast itself. Ooh, kind of hefty. Let's see if I can get this out. Not really done much of an unboxing before, only for the Retroid Pocket, and I still haven't even released that video yet. But this one, I want to try to get out as soon as possible. Just simply because I know a lot of people who got this PC aren't content creators. And since this is a tools channel, I thought physical tools count for that as well. So let's take a look at the device itself. Kind of hefty. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's grilled on the sides and the top, plenty of ventilation. Oh, that's so pretty. It actually looks a lot better in person too, no less. My lighting's not the greatest in here. Will this help at all? Yeah, it actually helps a little bit. Cool. So the actual device itself, not too crazy. I might actually, I like how the screws are underneath the rubber mats, so you don't actually have to take off the rubber mats to take them off. I probably will put another SSD in here. All right, let's see what else is in the box. Take the foam out. They packed it securely, although I don't like how they left it outside, but that's not their fault. Here's the bracket to mount it onto a monitor, I believe. We got a HDMI cable, nice and thick. Not braided, but you know, it's nice. Ooh, it even comes with a little Herk Orion Velcro strap. Same with the power cable. Ooh, that's a beefy power cable and a beefy power box. That's it. That's basically it. I will do another video probably on how it runs and how it performs, but I just wanted to give you a quick little demo about what it looked like. Cheers.